We're going off-road, way back off the highway.
What is up, YouTube? On this episode, we're going to show you how to change the brake calipers on this JK here. Also, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you know every time we upload videos. If you want to see more Jeeps, go check out that playlist. Other than that, we're about to change the brake calipers on this Jeep. Alright, so we're going to change the brakes on this. We got Jamie jacking it up.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
Might have to air down.
If you notice, we don't have the usual jack because somebody borrowed it and didn't return it. But I think this one will work.
Oh, what do you know?
Look at that. Alright, this is what, a 3 1/4 inch rough country lift?
I guess that's what he just told you, wasn't it?
It was.
Fell in the hole. Alright, it looks like it's a 12 or 13. Which one was it that was seized up?
The driver.
That's the one leaking too?
What's that?
The axle seal. You know the seal is way up there, don't you?
On the inside, there's in and out of there.
I don't believe so. I'm not 100% sure about the JKs, but I know mine doesn't. Like, this is just like a dust shield. Is it too tight?
Alright, remove your 2 slider bolts. Alright, now we got the axle supported with jack stands. We got both tires off. And Jamie's going to come over here and take this caliper off. 13.
Yeah, pads look like they're in pretty good shape.
Yeah, this doesn't look bad at all. The rear's not bad.
What you know, it's a 15.
Alright, now you're going to break your brake line off. 15.
Can you help hold it?
And now when you do this, you're gonna be real quick. It's gonna start leaking brake fluid. And put it up high. I'm gonna grab you the other caliper real quick. Where's the other calipers at?
We don't have it.
I gotta go get it.
Oh, okay. Alright, so just tuck that to the side. And do not lose that banjo bolt right there.
Alright, it should stop leaking soon, you would think.
And then do the same thing to the other side. Alright, so apparently the new ones come with this whole bracket and everything. So you have to take your old bracket off. Just those two bolts right there and right there. Get your goat off, remove the bracket. Alright, so put the new one on, put your two bracket bolts back on. You have to unbolt the caliper from the bracket. Alright, snap in your clips. They just snap right in.
Right in.
Super easy.
A monkey could do it.
A trained monkey with at least 10 years experience could do it.
Yep.
So easy.
Put your pads back in.
That's why it's cut.
I know, that's what I said.
Oh,
So I
yeah,
hope I didn't.
Yeah, I forgot.
I got all dirty. These factory ones.
There you go.
Just need a factory.
Yeah, we just put the factory clip back in the top. And slide your caliper back on.
Put your bolts back in.
Just put your side bolts back in.
Then watch your hands.
Take your brake line, put your banjo washers, your copper washers on both sides.
You got it?
These came with a new banjo bolt, so we use the new one.
Is that still the old one?
To disregard, don't throw that, losing that bolt away.
Just want to be a booger bear.
They usually are.
Is your toolbox?
Yeah.
Alright, same deal on this side. Take the bracket off,
Rinse and repeat.
rinse and repeat. And just like before, slide your brake pads in, put the clips on.
Look at there.
Looky there.
When you put it on the right way, it just seems to work.
Put your caliper on. Put your slide bolts on.
Where's that wrench? Oh, I found it.
He found it.
Game on.
Put your brake line. Your new banjo bolt out. Don't forget your copper washers.
This thing's got such a bend in it, it's such a pain in the ass. Let's fill it up with fluid.
Alright, next. Check the brake fluid. You probably lost some fluid. You see we're close to the minimum side. Alright, next you need to have somebody in the truck pumping the brakes. And you need to have them pump up the brakes and you release this bleeder valve right here. Are you pumping them? Oh. They feel tight?
Oh, I'm starting to get, you can see it starting to push against it. All right, hold it.
What you're looking for is a steady stream coming out of there. No.
Pump it up. All right, hold it. Nope, wrong way.
You hear that air
All
coming
right,
out?
pump it. Hold it. All right, pump it. That looked pretty good stream.
That looked pretty
We'll
good.
do it one more time.
You always want to start with the furthest away from your master cylinder too.
Alright, hold it.
Yeah, that was pretty good. Then go to the next side. And check your brake fluid, add some more. If you're low, which you probably are. And we're gonna do the driver's side.
Pump, pump, pump it up. Pump, pump, pump it up. Alright, hold it. Oh, that's tight.
Here's the air.
Alright, pump her up.
What you don't want.
Hold it. Alright, pump it. Alright, hold it. Alright, pump it. Hold it.
Solid string is what you're looking for.
Alright, I think you're good to go.
Top off the brake reservoir. What is up, YouTube? Today we're gonna change the brakes on this JK right here.
No, we're changing calipers.
Oh yeah. Fuck, we gotta do it again.